chuki beat.
Day 2 of weight reduction of the Honda curls, bicep curls. What's up, guys? It's your boy Etard Adventures. I'm just trying to work on getting my engine bay cleaned up, getting all the wires from the factory harness out. So enjoy this time lapse.
Chuki beat.
Okay, as you've seen from that time lapse, I've been grinding all my little tabs and everything off, and I'm trying to get this battery tray all the way out of there, but I'm trying not to cut into this rail, this frame rail right here, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to take my my flapper disc, courtesy of Mr. Redbeard's Garage. Thank you for hooking your boy up with so many of these. And I'm going to go around where I did cut all the tabs out. There's sharp points, and I'm going to take all those down to where it's not sharp anymore. So watch this time lapse of me grinding away.
Chuki beat.
Well, guys, I still got a little bit more grinding and stuff to do, but as you can see from before and after, that frame rail looks good. Still got a little bit right here I need to take off because that's the spot that was on there from the battery box, and I got some. You can see it right here. Be smooth. And now we actually got room to where when we put the other motor in. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take this motor mount out. But I'm not gonna touch it until I get the other motor on the cherry picker set in here and see what I need to take out. Because I think I gotta take like this much. I can actually see now. I'm thinking I'll have to take like this much out, notch this here to get it to go in. But I won't know. That's what I've seen online, but I won't know until it's actually in here. We did grind some more spots off. I did want to get this battery tray thing kind of situated. It looks pretty good now. So now I can focus on all this good jazz, all these little tabs. I'm gonna grind all them nice and smooth and get them out of there. Even this little bracket here, these tabs, I need to take them all out because the motor's gonna fill up most of the engine bay, but I want the engine bay to be nice and smooth and clean looking, if you know what I mean. Got to remove these brake lines. So we're basically doing everything, guys, front to back on this thing. All the wiring, all the wiring, and everything I can take out of this 97 Civic. We'll take all the wiring out of it and get everything that we can out of it. Take this motor apart, get this motor in that 79 Civic. So that's the plan. You can see I got motor mounts here. I'm basically just going to leave these motor mounts on. When I pull this motor, take this motor out, leave these motor mounts on and kind of see where they go, and then build from there. I will be taking a lot of these brackets and stuff from this motor, like where that fuel filter is and all that good jazz, and figuring out where to put it on there. Radiators, all that good stuff. I'm going to get it bare bones in there first with just the necessities needing to run, and then maybe down the road we'll try to take all the AC stuff and put it in. But as you can see, it's pretty much close to this frame rail here, and this is a larger engine bay than what we have in our 79 Civic. So see what we can do. Thank you for watching these videos. If you got any questions about the Hondas, or if you're doing one of these yourself, please let me know, and maybe we can work our tips and tricks out with each other and help our process go along a lot smoother. Thank you for watching Etard Adventures, and until next time, peace.